Assalamualaikum dear students. Hope you are doing well and enjoying your summer vacation. Today we will solve the remedy pack of mathematics level 8. Question number 2 is for the given sets. Here we are given with three sets. A is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. B is equal to 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. And C is equal to 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Verify the following laws through Venn diagram. We have to verify associative law of union of sets through Venn diagram. So student, let's start it. Associative law of union of sets. According to this law, A union B union C is equal to A union B union C. We have to prove this law through Venn diagram. First of all, consider left hand side, that is A union B union C. That's we have to find. First of all, let us find B union C. Set B is given as 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11 union. Set C is given as 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. So B union C, union of two sets contain all the elements of both of the sets. So it will become 1, 3, 5, 6, 7, 9, 11, 12, 15. It is a union of B union C. Next we will find A union B union C. For that, first we write set A, that is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, and its union with B union C, that is 1, 3, 5, 6, 7, 9, 11, 12, 15. The union of these two sets will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 15. This set contain all the elements of A, B and C, because we have taken here the union of B union C and then with A. Next we will form the Venn diagram of A union B union C as it is directed in the question, that we have to verify it through Venn diagram. Venn diagram is actually a method to show the sets like this. This is a Venn diagram which contain a rectangular box. This rectangular box is called the universal set. Now we have here three sets A, B and C, and first we consider if there are any commons between these elements. Set A contain 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 and set B contain 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. It means set A and set B does not contain any of the same element. No element is common between two sets, so these two sets are disjoint sets. Next 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. This set contain 3 and 9 as B contain 3 and 9. So set A, B are disjoint sets and B and C are overlapping set. Then how will we draw it? This is set A and set B will be right as, because it is a disjoint set, and set C contain both of the elements of B and A as 6 and 12 from A and 3 and 9 from B. So it will be formed like an overlapping set to both of the given sets. Student, first we find B union C. B union C means all the elements that are present in B and C. So here we will shade it the and set C completely, because B union C contains elements of B like this. Next is A union B union C, means this element of A also included in this, so we will shade the remaining part of A also. This is a Venn diagram of A union B union C. Next we will solve that is right hand side, which is actually A union B union C. First of all, we will solve A union B. Set A, which contains elements 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Union, which contains 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. So A union B will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Next we will find A union B union C. Here A union B is this set, so we will write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and union C is given as 3, 6, 9, 15. Next, the union of these two sets form 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 15. Now we'll form the Venn diagram of A union B union C. So again we will consider a rectangular box that contain the universal set. Again, set A and sets B are disjoint sets, and set C is overlapping these two sets. Student, that is A union B union C. Means first we consider A and B. A and B, this is set A, and we will shade all its part because it is a union of two sets, so all the elements of A and B will be included in A union B. Next is union C. Next we will shade the remaining part of C that form A union B union C. So student, this is the Venn diagram of A union B union C, and lastly we form the Venn diagram of A union B union C. Both of the diagrams and the answers are equal, so we can write here, hence verified that A union B union C is equal to A union B union C. So student, this is our today's lecture. Next second part of this question will be solved tomorrow inshallah, that is distributive law of intersection over union. Till then, Allah Hafiz.